Anthropic hid code in Claude Code that quietly checks whether you're in China, and when someone caught it, the company admitted it was real. This is AI Wire Daily. A Reddit post alleged Claude Code checks if you're running a proxy, then covertly transmits whether you're in China, proxying to a Chinese URL, or affiliated with a Chinese AI lab, with the code obfuscated inside the binary. Anthropic's Tariq Shihipa confirmed it on X, calling it an experiment launched in March to stop unauthorized resellers and distillation attacks, and said it's being rolled back. Alibaba responded by labeling Claude Code high-risk software and banning employees from July 10, pushing them to its own tool, Coda. My take: the detection might be defensible, but obfuscating it in the binary is what torches trust. That part was a choice. Meta just banned its own engineers from the same tool. The Applied AI division now prohibits Claude Code and Codex, with restrictions documented around June 29, because rival model outputs leaking into Meta's training pipelines could breach service agreements and hand Meta capabilities it didn't build. Before the ban, an internal tracker employees nicknamed the Claudenomics dashboard logged 60 trillion tokens in a single 30-day period, and Microsoft reportedly cancelled a majority of its Claude Code licenses by June 30. My take: when your competitors' engineers use your tool that heavily, that's the only benchmark that matters. The government angle is wilder. The Trump administration gave Anthropic 90 minutes to pull its Claude Mythos 5 and Fable 5 models after Amazon raised cybersecurity concerns, and they went dark for over 2 weeks before restrictions lifted last week. OpenAI was asked to delay its GPT 5.6 rollout too. Experts say this kill switch precedent is supercharging the push for American open-source models, since open weights can't be yanked by one order. I think they're right. This did more for open source than any manifesto could. And China is pouncing on the chaos. Z.ai's GLM 5.2, launched last month, is being called a mini DeepSeek moment for coding and agent capabilities that in some cases rival leading US models at a fraction of the cost. It climbed OpenRouter's usage rankings above Anthropic's models, and former White House AI advisor David Sachs said, "We now have a Chinese open-weight model as good as OpenAI's and Anthropic's." My take: the gap isn't closed, but the trend line should terrify Silicon Valley. Z.ai is also fighting on price, not just benchmarks. Developers can access the model through APIs and integrate it with more than 20 coding tools, and paid subscriptions currently undercut both ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro in India, with Gemini Pro costing even more. Details beyond that are thin, so I'll say it plainly. This looks like classic land grab pricing, and I think price could become China's sharpest weapon. That's the AI News. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.